Want hassle-free food storage? This Essentials Undercounter Fridge keeps things simple. It lets you effortlessly select your preferred settings with an easy-to-use dial control and multiple cooling levels to choose from. Ideal if you need to make adjustments to store a specific item or dish, you can enjoy full control without fuss. It saves you money when it comes to running costs with an A+ energy rating, offering assurance that it keeps consumption to a minimum. With an integrated 10-litre icebox, you get a handy little extra space for frozen goods. Perfect for stashing ice cubes on hot summer days or storing items when your main freezer is full.